Hi guys, I'm back with another tutorial video. I hope everybody doing good during this COVID-19. This is probably the best time to work on your project, whether building a new server, creating a new FreeNAS, or mess around with all the plugin for media streaming. This is probably the best time right now. Alright, I finally upgraded to FreeNAS 11.3. Everything is went perfectly fine, smooth, nothing wrong except for a few plugins, which is kind of expected. I probably have to reinstall them. Other than that, everything worked out pretty smooth. Alright, and with that, let's get started. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to install Emby Plugin. So let's go to the plugin. And you see with the new 11.3 IX system or FreeNAS offer a lot more plugin, and even that they have the community one beside the official plugin. I haven't tried any of these, but it obviously have more option compared to the 11.2 FreeNAS. Alright, so it's pretty simple and easy. You just select Emby and then you just install the plugin. I'm going to leave everything at the default settings, and we're going to give it a name, Emby, and here we go. Alright, now that the plugin installed successfully, if you notice, I actually fast forward the video, so make it quicker. It does take a little bit of probably like 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your internet connection. Alright, and let's close it out the panel. We don't need that, and we're gonna go to jails. So Emby is up right now, so we're gonna go ahead and stop it. We're gonna give it the mount point. Basically give a patch to the media folder that we have it on the FreeNAS. Alright, so for the source, my media is stored in the flex, so I want to give it the source is gonna be mal, and then share, try, and flex, and then the destinations you can put it in mal or media. Either one is fine. Just when you add the media, just make sure you give it the correct patch to the folder. Alright, so now I'm gonna go back to plugin, and we're gonna start Emby. Alright, we're going to copy the address for Emby. From here, you're just going to follow the wizards and choose your preferred language. English, US, next. Username Emby, and create your new password. And here it's optional if you want to link your Emby Connect account. We're gonna add media. It's gonna be movie, display movie, folder. I'll go to media and movie. I'm gonna go with kid movie. And okay, and from down here you can set a lot of prefer metadata download language. So the rest of it is just language and the country and what your reference is. I'm just gonna skip this part for now. You can set it up based on your reference. And here we go, next. English. If you want to set up a remote connection, obviously you're going to allow remote connection to this Emby servers, and enable automatic port mapping, accept home services, and here we go, we are done. We're gonna go ahead and log in, default username Emby. So from here, from the dashboard, I'm gonna click on the home icon to go back to the home page, and as you see, this is all the movie that I added in the folder, and I named it movies. If you want to add more folder or media, media folder, you would go back to the setting, manage Emby servers, and from here you go down to library, and right here you can add more media library. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope everybody gonna be just fine, get through this COVID-19, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.